Alright, good morning. I'm Dr. Ross and welcome to our differential equations class, Math 553. I wanted to just kind of talk about the syllabus and the calendar with the course and to kind of tell you how it's laid out and what to expect each week. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to ask those. I apologize for using my iPad here and document camera. I couldn't get my computer screen to record, so it could be a much better resolution. But hopefully you've gone to modules and you are watching now this welcome video. This says start here, welcome video. So I know you can read, and I don't want to read all these things to you, but do look through the syllabus and the requirements and things for that, because you are responsible for those things. And if you have a question about any of that, feel free to ask. Essentially, the takeaway from the syllabus is you of course need to be working each week for attendance reasons, but your grade in this class is based on 3 tests that we'll take, and they all count. There's no replacement grade, there's no drop grade, so be sure that you are keeping up with the material. What you are going to be interested in is the course calendar, and it tells you exactly what you're expected to do each week. So you see for this week that begins on the 22nd, we have lecture 1 and lecture 2. So there's a video that I've posted on YouTube with those lectures, and they're in Canvas. And then there's generally a handout for each of those lectures where I've taught through some of those problems. I've probably left some problems for you to do for homework, and then I've always posted solutions to all of those things for you each time. But you kind of see how that's laid out: test 1, test 2, and then finally test 3 that last week. The only thing that might change on this course calendar is we may omit something or extend something, but this is the worst that it'll be, so I won't add anything to any of that. The other thing under modules is if you need to get in contact with me, and information is also on the syllabus, you can email me at through Canvas, through the Canvas inbox. You can email my William Carey email address. Please don't do both of those things. I promise I'll respond to them about as quick using one as the other. Sometimes if people don't hear from me in a couple of hours and they send something to the other email, just give me time to respond. And the rule of thumb is 24 hours for a response, although you should hear something that same day, generally within a couple of hours at most. But anyway, either one of those is fine to get a message to me. There's also my cell phone number, and you're welcome to text that. I do ask that every time you start a conversation, if you'll tell me one more time, this is Susie or Johnny or whoever, and so that I know who I'm talking to, because I won't keep your number. Alright, and so then each week the material is laid out by the week, and so you see in week 1 there's lecture 1, a video that probably will open in a new window. You've got a PDF that's blank, and then you've got a PDF that's completed, and that'll be pretty standard for each week. So lecture 1 and lecture 2 is material for the first week. You're not really able to work ahead, so I may be posting things ahead, but you kind of see down here at the bottom that week won't open until March the 1st. So you've got lecture 3, lecture 4, and so forth. And then once in a while we need some things from calculus, and partial derivatives is from Cal 4, and it may be a while since you've done that for the week 3 in particular. So I've posted some review from Khan Academy there. But that's kind of what to expect each week and how that'll be laid out. Please know I'm absolutely here to help you. So if you run into an issue or you have a question about it's usually the algebra or the calculus. The D is not actually pretty difficult. The calculus is what gets us remembering some formulas and things. Oh, and thinking about that, I'll try to post on here as well this first week just some calculus formulas that you should be familiar with from your calculus classes. It just may have been a while since you've done that, so be sure you're reviewing those and asking questions about those. But if I can help you throughout the term, please feel free to contact me, and I look forward to working with you.